CLE is designed to sit in between the C-Class and E-Class, with Mercedes claiming it'll blend the best qualities of the two models. In terms of size, it's actually longer than the outgoing E-Class Coupe, but is the same width and sits a little lower to give it a sleeker profile. The front end of the CLE is more akin to that of the C-Class than the new EQE-inspired E-Class. There are isolated LED headlights with a take on Mercedes' Pan America grille and more prominent bonnet bulges. To the side, we see a simple design with clean surfacing, and at the back a similar rear light design to the one on the new GLC Coupe. There are also fake twin exhaust tips, a diffuser, and rear air vents to provide a sportier look. Inside the cull, you'll immediately notice plenty of design details and technology lifted from the C-Class and GLC. A 12.3-inch central touchscreen and 11.9-inch driver's display feature, with the latest MBUX infotainment system, which adds Mercedes' new routines function. It essentially learns the habits of the driver and will automatically turn on the climate control, change the ambient lighting, and even set reminders, such as birthdays or telephone calls based on previous interactions. Mercedes has also developed a new voice recognition system, first seen on the E-Class, where you no longer need to say "Hey Mercedes" to alert it. Instead, if the driver is alone in the car, they can operate the voice control when a red microphone symbol appears on the driver's display. Cluster. Over-the-air updates will be made available to CLE owners throughout its lifespan, and in some markets, the car will be able to offer 5G internet connectivity. The central screen also features new apps like TikTok, the Vivaldi web browser, and even the Angry Birds game.